This 2014 Itasca Sunstar 36Y is a Class A RV. It is located in Montgomery, Alabama, 36116 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Montgomery. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Itasca is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, slide-out, and 76 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, rear bedroom. This 2014 Itasca Sunstar 36Y is built on a Ford F53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.